The Wi-Fi battery outdoor security camera. Classic is the result of differences. HD video, two-way talk, easy installation. Without additional tools and professional help, you can easily put a doorbell on your front door. Wire-free.
Hello, anybody here?
Mini design to help your installation easily outside your home. Connect to your Netcam mobile app. Experience total home monitoring. Keep your home secure and your family safe by protecting you against intruders, burglars, package thieves, and any other unwanted guests.
Hello, what can I help you?
Use the word advanced motion detection and passive infrared detection. Protect you during the day or at night. Video recording and playback allows you to check in on your home at any time and watch a video on demand at your convenience, creating an added level of security. An adjustable mounting bracket allows you to install a camera anywhere and get your perfect angle to watch over your home. Recharge option is standby for over 120 days of battery life.